Hi, I'm Adam and this is Landlord Expert. In 2003, I set up my own letting agent and property management company based in the northeast of England. After 21 years, I sold the business in 2024 and now help landlords with best practice letting advice and making sure they get the best from their rental properties. The information given in my videos is not financial or legal advice and are my opinions only. Should you require legal or financial advice, please speak to a relevant professional. Now let's get on with today's video. Hello and welcome to the channel. I make videos for landlords offering help, advice, tips and best practice guides on everything to do with letting a residential property here in the UK. Whether you're a new landlord or a seasoned pro, hopefully you will find videos useful and pick up some handy advice along the way. Ready to get started? Why not check out the videos on the channel, and if you have any specific questions, please let me know in the comments and I can then include them in a future video. Thanks for watching.